Hello students, good morning. This is the video for understanding how to develop a thought. I have taken this article as sample. So don't go with this news what I am discussing here. I am not talking about this lady. This is just sample of report or thought, how to write or how to develop a thought, how to write a paragraph, right? So first of all, here you can see that Dhaka, Bangladesh leading actress Nusrat Faria, right? So from here to here, that is called noun phrase. This video is special for linguistics students. What is called noun phrase? So this is a very good example of noun phrase. Bangladesh leading actress, right? So again this sentence can be divided up to here. That's a Bangladesh leading actress, right? Who is uh, whose actress this reporter is talking about? Nusrat Faria. So first of all, here we have come to know that she is from Bangladesh and famous actress. Then her name is Nusrat Faria. Okay. Now moving to next part. Who portrayed former PM Sheikh Hasina in a Mujib biopic, right? This is extra information which is called antithesis, means this is extra information, right? Who portrayed former PM, who portrayed what? Former PM Sheikh Hasina, right? How many parts of this sentence you notice, right? This way you will be able to uh, understand a pattern of writing. Very nice. This is a very good example actually. Who portrayed whom? Former PM. Whose former PM? Sheikh Hasina, right? This way. In where? In a Mujib biopic, right? Then directed directed by renowned Indian filmmaker. By renowned, adjective is used for whom? Renowned and in Indian, two adjectives are there. Filmmaker, noun. Who is the filmmaker? Shyam Benegal, right? Now interesting thing is that here whom we are talking about is still this is noun part actually. This is subject part. We are talking about Nusrat Faria was. Nusrat Faria was sent to jail. This is the news. But before Nusrat Faria, you have seen number of uh, whereabouts are introduced for Nusrat Faria. Bangladesh leading actress. We come to know that Bangladesh leading actress. The next information, who portrayed former PM Sheikh Hasina, where? In a Mujib biopic. Who has directed this biopic? Directed by renowned, famous Indian. Which state he's from? Filmmaker. Who is the person? Filmmaker. What's the name? Shyam Benegal. So Nusrat Faria was, right, sent to jail on Monday. Was sent to jail, okay, when? On Monday. Again, much elaboration. In connection with, this is phrase, an attempt to murder case. Again, elaboration. Linked last year's anti-government protests. Linked last year anti-government protests. So this is a very short video but very interesting. I don't have time today, but definitely I'm going to elaborate this sentence again. Here you have seen that subject and predicate. Sentence is divided into two parts, mainly two parts, subject and predicate. How long subject is there, and same with predicate. Subject means noun or pronoun, and predicate means verb and rest of the part, right? So here modifiers, right, then determiners, so many things are used in the noun, right? However, we are talking about one lady, Nusrat Faria, but you must have noticed that number of things are given, introductory part, or number of information about Nusrat Faria, and not number of no, information, a piece of information about Nusrat Faria is given in the subject, right? So that is the thing which we should notice. That is, again I'm repeating, Bangladesh leading actress Nusrat Faria, that's enough. But Nusrat Faria, who is she? So that is Bangladesh actress. But what actress? Leading actress. So two things we come to know. Then who portrayed, why we are discussing who portrayed, why? Because who portrayed former, who portrayed then former, because right now at present Sheikh Hasina is not PM but former PM Sheikh Hasina, where in which in a Muzi biopic. So who directed this biopic? Directed by renowned Indian. Two things we come to know about filmmaker Shyam Benegal. So, renowned Indian filmmaker. Who is Shyam Benegal? So, he is filmmaker. Filmmaker Shyam Benegal. Then, predicate start from here, that is was sent to jail when? On Monday. Why? In connection with an attempt to murder case. What murder case? Linked to last year's anti-government protests, right? So that murder case linked to last year anti-government protests. This is the one sentence in which number of things are added, right? In which number of when we understand, we try to understand parts of speech. So here in this sentence you can easily understand different parts of speech. So at last I would like to tell you that what is the parts of speech here. This is noun. Why? Because name of the place, right? Leading actress. So actress is an again noun, but leading is adjective because it qualifies actress, so that is adjective. Then Nusrat Faria again noun. Then who portrayed, so that's a who is the linking word here, relative pronoun. What is who? Who is relative pronoun? Portrayed former PM, right? So portrayed is verb, right? Second form of verb, past tense. Then you know that verb, let me remind you, three forms of verb: present, past and past participle. Third form is called past participle. Here this portrait is second form, which is called past tense. Then former PM. So PM is again noun, position of the any position, that is noun form. But former is again that is adjective, right? Then Sheikh Hasina is also noun. In is in a Muzib biotic, so that's a in is preposition. Then is that is uh, article. Then Muzib biopic, right? So biopic is again noun, right? Muzib biopic is noun. Then directed is again second form of verb, right? By is preposition. Renowned Indian filmmaker. So renowned Indian, two adjectives are used here. That's a for filmmaker. He is renowned, famous, and Indian, right? Then Sham Benegal is again noun. Then was is helping verb. Sent is third form of verb, because when that is past participle, not second form. Send, sent, sent. So why it is third form? Because in third form, before past participle, sometime we use helping verb. So was sent, that is passive voice, and that is why was sent, sent is third form of the verb. To jail, to is preposition, jail is again noun, on is preposition, Monday is again noun, in connection with, this is collectively called phrase, verbal phrase. But how verbal phrase are made, let me tell you. In is helping verb, then connection is noun form, then with is again preposition, sorry, in is preposition and with is preposition, and in connection with is used as a phrase, right? Then an is article, attempt is main verb, to is preposition, murder is main verb, case is noun, and linked is past tense of second form of a main verb. To is preposition, last years. So year is noun, last is adjective. Anti government protests, that is noun. So here, this way, if you analyze a sentence, you will come to know how to write an article, how to write a sentence, and how beautifully you can give them piece of information in one sentence. And once you develop this the sense of part speech, definitely sentence framing will be easier to you. So that is all for today. Thank you so much. God bless you.